Join me as I dive into the 10 best ways to make real money before 2025 and see if I can actually make some cash with these methods. Making real money before 2025 sounds like a daunting task, but trust me, it's definitely achievable. In this video, we'll be covering the top 10 strategies that can help you rake in some serious cash, from freelancing to dropshipping, and from affiliate marketing to creating and selling online courses. We'll dive into it all. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to achieving financial stability is that they lack a clear understanding of how to make money quickly. They think it's all about getting rich fast, but in reality, it takes time, effort, and patience. Another common misconception is that making money requires some sort of special talent or skill. But the truth is, anyone can make money if they're willing to put in the work. Many people also fall into the trap of thinking that making money is only reserved for the privileged few. They think they need to have a lot of capital or connections to get started. But the truth is, there are plenty of opportunities out there that can help you make money without breaking the bank. You just need to be willing to take the first step and be open to learning and growth. Lastly, many people struggle with making money because they lack a clear plan or strategy. They don't know what they want to achieve or how to get there. They're like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly in the sea. But with the right strategy and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals and start making real money before 2025. Let's dive into the first strategy, which is freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to monetize your skills and make money on your own terms. Whether it's writing, designing, or developing, there are plenty of freelance opportunities out there that can help you make up to $1,000 per month. The key is to identify your strengths and find a platform that aligns with your skills. Next up is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. You can start a dropshipping business with as little as $100 and make up to $5,000 per month. The key is to find a profitable niche and partner with a reliable supplier. Affiliate marketing is another strategy that can help you make real money before 2025. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You can make up to $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing, but it requires a lot of effort and patience. Creating and selling online courses is another lucrative strategy. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. You can make up to $20,000 per month with online courses, but it requires a lot of hard work and dedication. One of the most effective strategies I've found is creating and selling an ebook. With an ebook, you can monetize your knowledge and expertise and make up to $5,000 per month. The key is to identify a profitable niche and create an ebook that solves a problem or meets a need. Another strategy that's often overlooked is renting out a spare room on Airbnb. If you have an extra room in your house, you can rent it out on Airbnb and make up to $2,000 per month. The key is to provide excellent customer service and create a welcoming atmosphere. Selling stock photos is another way to make real money before 2025. If you have a good camera and an eye for photography, you can sell your photos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock or iStock. You can make up to $1,000 per month with stock photography, but it requires a lot of creativity and patience. Creating a YouTube channel is another strategy that can help you make real money before 2025. With a YouTube channel, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You can make up to $10,000 per month with a YouTube channel, but it requires a lot of hard work and dedication. Lastly, creating a mobile app is a lucrative strategy that can help you make real money before 2025. If you have an idea for a mobile app, you can create it and sell it on app stores like Apple App Store or Google Play. You can make up to $50,000 per month with a mobile app, but it requires a lot of expertise and resources. One of the most surprising insights I've discovered is that creating a mobile app can be incredibly lucrative. With the right idea and execution, you can create a mobile app that generates passive income for years to come. It's definitely worth exploring if you have an idea for an app. If you're serious about making real money before 2025, you need to take action and start implementing these strategies. Remember, making money takes time, effort, and patience. Don't expect to get rich overnight, but with persistence and the right approach, you can achieve financial success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our next video on financial tips. Which strategy did you find most interesting? Let us know in the comments below.